Have you ever reflected on the impact your words have on the world around you? Every word that comes out of our mouths carries weight, even if we often don't realize it. From the very beginning, when God created the universe through the power of His Word, we understand that words play a fundamental role. While we don't possess the same creative power as God, our words also have influence. They shape thoughts, touch hearts, and can even transform lives. But what are we really doing with this power? How often do we speak without considering the consequences? Words can be a source of healing or an instrument of destruction. They can build bridges or dig chasms. A negative comment can shake someone's self-esteem, while a word of encouragement can be the push they need to move forward. Proverbs 18:21 reminds us, "The tongue has the power of life and death, and those who love it will eat its fruit." This verse confronts us with a crucial truth. Our words have consequences, whether good or bad. They don't simply disappear into the air but echo, leaving marks on people and the environment around us. Think about how negative words can spark conflicts, incite hatred, or even destroy relationships. They have the power to amplify old wounds or create new ones, separating friends, families, and even entire communities. A single cruel word can leave scars that last for years, generating deep emotional pain and feelings of rejection. On the other hand, kind and loving words have the power to heal emotional wounds, restore peace, and inspire hope. A word spoken at the right time can bring comfort in times of distress, renew someone's confidence, and even save a life. Words of forgiveness can restore broken bonds, while words of encouragement can help someone overcome challenges that seemed impossible. The Bible warns us about the seriousness of our words. Jesus said in Matthew 12:36-37, "But I tell you that everyone will have to give account on the day of judgment for every empty word they have spoken. For by your words you will be acquitted, and by your words you will be condemned." This means that not only our actions but also every word we speak will be evaluated before God. This brings us to a profound reflection. What have our words been revealing about the state of our hearts? The mouth speaks what the heart is full of, as we learn in Matthew 12:34. If our words are constantly critical, bitter, or negative, it's a sign that something inside us needs transformation. We must remember that our calling as Christians is to be instruments of peace and reconciliation. Ephesians 4:29 instructs us, "Do not let any unwholesome talk come out of your mouths, but only what is helpful for building others up according to their needs, that it may benefit those who listen." So how can we use our words to glorify God and build others up? We can start by being more intentional about what we say. Before speaking, we should ask ourselves, will this build up or tear down? Will it bring peace or division? Will it reflect Christ's love or feed resentment? Remember that every word is a seed we plant in the hearts of those who hear us. What kind of fruit do you want to harvest? Words of love, kindness, and truth are seeds that produce lasting fruits of peace, joy, and unity. On the other hand, words of anger, lies, and criticism are seeds that yield fruits of discord and pain. Therefore, use your words wisely. They are not just sounds or symbols. They are reflections of what dwells in your heart and powerful tools that can be used for good or evil. Let your words always be an expression of God's love and a testimony of His grace. After all, one day we will all give an account for every word we have spoken. Make your words an instrument of blessing and edification, for they have the power to transform not only your life but also the lives of those around you.